Today, I'll show you how to use the MetaTrader 5 trading app. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. MetaTrader 5 is the trading platform, but your actual trading account comes from a broker. MetaQuote says the app lets you connect to a broker's server, receive live quotes, view charts, and place trades, but you still need to log in to a broker account or open a demo account first. To get started, download the MetaTrader 5 app on your phone and open it. MetaQuote says the mobile app is free and supports real-time quotes, charts, technical analysis, and online trading. Once the app opens, log in to your broker account or create a demo account. In the Getting Started flow, MetaQuote says you can search for your broker's server, choose it, and then sign in with your account details. This is the first step because the app needs to connect to the broker before you can trade. After that, go to the quote screen. This is where you watch the instruments your broker offers, like forex pairs, stocks, or other markets. From there, tap a symbol to open its chart. MetaQuote says the chart section lets you analyze price movement, and on mobile you can switch between time frames from 1 minute up to 1 month. Now let's talk about chart use. On the chart, you can zoom, scroll, switch time frame, and add indicators. MetaQuote says the mobile app includes built-in technical analysis tools and supports one-click trading directly from the chart. That means once you're ready, you can place a trade without leaving the chart screen. If you want to open a trade, select the symbol, choose the trade option, enter your lot size, and if needed add stop loss and take profit. MetaQuote says the app supports trading operations, pending orders, and protective stop loss and take profit levels. You should also check the settings area. On Android, MetaQuote says the side panel includes a settings section where you can adjust app behavior. And on mobile, the app also supports push notifications and account management features. So, in simple terms, the best way to use the MetaTrader 5 trading app is this. Install the app, connect to your broker, watch quotes, open charts, analyze the market, and then place trades with risk settings like stop loss and take profit. That gives you a complete basic workflow for using MT5 on your phone. And that's how to use the MetaTrader 5 trading app. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.